Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Poco F6 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.67 inches wide Quad HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 89% screen to body ratio, approximately 526 ppi pixel density, 4000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch resistant glass protection, Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus support. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 8K at 24 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30/60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 3.2 GHz. Single-core Cortex-X3, plus 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A715, plus 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A710, plus 2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 740 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.86 by 74.95 by 8.21 mm, and it weighs around 209 grams, and the color options white, black colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 120 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Poco F6 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at $500, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at $550 and 164,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at $630. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Poco F6 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.